For sin shall no longer be your master, because you are not under the law, but under grace. Romans 6:14. Hello family, a very warm welcome back to the Lovystouch food channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Happy Sunday. Today we're making the best tilapia light soup you could ever serve yourself and your family this weekend. Let's get right into it. You're going to really love this, so stay tuned and let's get right into it. You will love it so much. So these are the ingredients needed for this tilapia light soup. I'm using one large tilapia fish, some vegetables and tomato paste, of course some salt to season. So to begin with, I like to go ahead and wash my vegetables, which are 2 plumpy fresh tomatoes, 2 medium-sized carrots, and I add 2 medium size of onions, some 2 habanero pepper. You want this to be very nice and spicy, and you just go ahead and put everything in your pot, add a good amount of water and boil. So now that my vegetables are nicely boiling, I'm going ahead to take care of my tilapia fish, which has been already nicely taken care of. I'm just going to go ahead and cut them into the preferred sizes. This is quite a large fish and the bones were really matured, so it was a little bit hard for me to cut them. So in this recipe, I'm going to cook this tilapia fish just by using 1 tilapia with no other proteins attached. You know that sometimes when you are cooking your light soup with fish, you normally tend to add a bit of tolo beef and all of that to just maximize the flavor. Tilapia fish can be very blunt without no taste, so it's very important to season it well. So after cutting it, I'm going to nicely wash it again with a little bit of lime juice and water, and I'll just go ahead and discard the water, and afterwards I'm going to season this fish. Please pay attention to the seasoning that I'll be using. I'm using 1 large paposhito and 2 green chilies, and to that I'm adding 2 thumb size of ginger, and I'll also add half size of a medium red onions. Please use yellow onions if that's what you have. And I also added 6 cloves of garlic. These ingredients are very important. Blend them until they're very nice and smooth, and I'm going to marinate my fish with this beautiful ingredients. I'll also add some fresh rosemary. Rosemary does a lot for fish or fresh proteins. They are so good, especially when you're using it in your light soup. Okay, make sure you season it with about tablespoon of salt. I did not film that part, but there was salt in this. Okay, so now that my vegetables are nicely boiled, I'm going to now take them out and blend them. Make sure everything in here is very nice and soft, and do not discard the water that you boiled your vegetables with. It is going to help you in your flavor building. It has lots of flavor, lots and lots of vitamins in here as well, so please do not discard it. Okay, so once I pick out all my vegetables, I'll then add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste to the water that I boiled my vegetables here with. This is how it's best to build your flavors without adding any form of MSGs. Okay, very unnecessary. You can do it using fresh and better ingredients. All right, so I'm going to cover it halfway, allow it to boil for about 5 minutes, and then I'm going in with my blended ingredients. Going to get a little bit thick, so rinse the blender with about 1 cup of water and add everything here, and now mix everything gently together and add your well marinated tilapia fish. And now this is going to be so good. It's very nice, hot and spicy. Remember, we also use some paposhito in marinating our fish, and oh boy, once it bubbles up, and just give it about 10 to 15 minutes, your soup will be so good for you to enjoy. Do not forget to add that fresh rosemary. That aroma is going to take you places, and taste and adjust to your salt preference, and you're good to go. So family, this is how you throw it down, making your tilapia live soup. This is so good. I mean, the aroma is just like fresh from the sea, so good, and it's just amazing. It has to be very nice and spicy because of the fish content in here. Fish can be very fishy, we all know that, right? So drop in few fresh peppers if you want extra hot and extra heat in your mouth, and you're going to even enjoy it so much. Okay, so after about 15 minutes, our live soup is ready, fully loaded and ready to be enjoyed. What are you going to pair this with? Let me know in the comment section. But over here, we just enjoy it with some delicious, super soft lamb-free plantain fufu, which was really delicious. I've shared how I made this fufu right here on this channel, and I'm going to link it and below as well. This goes so well with some plain rice, some fancy kinky. You just can't sip it on its own as well. Really delicious. Most times when I'm under the weather, I also cook some boiled plantain and just add it to the soup, and they're so good. You know, there's a lot to pair. Thanks so much for watching. I hope that you enjoy this amazing Sunday together with your loved ones, and you just about to start a brand new week, and I wish you all the very best. Thank you so much for watching once again. Please do not forget to give me a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and also if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again. And as always, know that you're so beautiful just the way you are. I will see you in my next one. Have a blessed day.